How's it going, guys? Wolclack here. Today I'm showing you guys 2020 Topps Chrome update series. Alright guys, so Topps Chrome update series came out about 2 to 3 weeks ago. It was a Target exclusive product. Well, anything Target exclusive or Walmart exclusive always turned into eBay exclusive. So I got these two boxes off eBay. On eBay it was going for around $45–50 per box. And I know you see two boxes of different colors. They're actually the same. I don't know why they are making it two different colors. So they're basically the same. There's nothing that you pull. You can only pull from a blue box or anything special for a white box. So basically they're the same. Let's take a look at the box itself. Look for autographs and one-of-one Superfractor. Speaking of Superfractor, I don't know if you guys saw that one of my videos a couple months ago when I opened a Topps Chrome, just a regular box. I actually pulled a Superfractor. It's my first ever Superfractor on my channel. So I'm gonna leave a link above, the banner above, and I also link below if you guys are interested in watching that. So yeah, Superfractor. Hopefully we get another chance to see that in one of these boxes. So these are the odds information. All right. Without saying anything further, let's crack open one of these boxes. Which one should I go for first? I'm gonna go for the white one. By the way, after this video, I am going to I just got my Topps Chrome update series Sapphire edition, so that is going to be the next video after this one, so make sure you guys check that out. Let's see here. So 28 cards in each of these boxes. 7 packs, 4 cards per pack, so that makes 28. Right. Actually, I'm gonna just put this right here. All right, yep. Let's go for it. Okay, Maeda. And we got Ryan Sember, 23. What is this called? It's called a numbers game. Ryan Sanders. Very nice insert. Very cool. Wheeler and Zach Davies. Kipnis, Cortez, rookie, and Gurulon, also a rookie, Santana. So can't wait for the Topps Series 1 to come out with a new design, and supposedly this year is the 70th anniversary of Topps, so I'm looking forward to that. I think it's coming out the 10th of sometime middle of February, so looking forward to that. And for sure, oh, I think we have something special here. I'm actually gonna put that aside and gonna pull that last. So Cal Ripken Jr. Kershaw, Rizzo, Altuve, Martinez. Oh, we got Bo Bichette on the bottom there. Very nice. Maven. We got one of these number game insert again. Robert Alomar. Todd Frazier. Bo Bichette. Very nice. Rookie debut July 29th, 2019. Very nice. So it's a debut card. Rookie debut card. Rich Hill. Got Chris Bryan, Flores, Randy Rosarina. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Randy card there. Okay, last pack of this box. Got Cunha Jr. Oh, we got another one. Something special there. All right, I'm going to keep that there. Anthony Rendon. Well, I guess I could have just show it since this is the last pack. So, okay, the one below that is Walker, Neil Walker. All right, and then what do we have here? What is this? Gavin Lux. Decades Next. It's a nice insert. Very nice. Gavin Lux. Rookie. Very nice. I kind of like this card. It's very, very special for sure. Very nice insert there. Oh, right. So that, oh, wait, not done yet. We got another one here. So, Luzardo, rookie. Ken Griffey Jr. And, ooh, another Decades Next. Ozzy Albies. This one is non-rookie. Very nice insert. Well, I like the Gavin Lux better. All right, so that is the white box. Go for the blue box now. So I might be wrong on this because I read about this a couple months ago. So I think spring training is coming up pretty soon, end of February, I think. So it's coming up. Time flies. I'm not sure if they're gonna cancel the spring training last minute this year again, but we will see. It's coming up really quickly. Now let me look at something here. Okay, the packaging is the same from the white box, so it's just the box color is different. The packs are the same, like I said. All right, so second box here. We got David Price. Got these numbers game. Ted Williams, 9. Very nice. Aaron Judge. Aristides Aquino. Very nice rookie. Oh, right. Luis Robert, rookie. Very nice. We got McCutcheon, Turley, rookie, and then Sneed, rookie. Baez, Another Decades Next card, Cody Bellinger. Another Dodgers. Okay, Mejia, yes, Mejia. Sorry, Frazier. Mejia is actually a rookie. All right. Ryan Howard, like his uni there, yellow uni. Another Cal Ripken Jr. Where is the previous one that we pull? There you go. Anyways, we pulled two. This is the second one. I guess it's a different different image. CJ Chrome and Verdugo. Zach Green. Nice post there. Okay, and another numbers game. This time is Ernie Banks, 14. Zach Wheeler again. Zach Davies again. Okay, oh, we got something there. I'm gonna show that last. Last pack. Pence, another Decades Next. Gleyber Torres this time. Luzardo, rookie. Oh, here we go. Cal Ripken Jr. Put like 3 of them. So let's see what this one is. Oh, it's a auto. Steven Souza Jr. Very nice, and is it gold? So it's 1 out of 25. Nice low number there. 1 out of 25. Very nice. Very nice. Well, that's as close as we can get with these 2 boxes to Superfractor, which is 1 of 1. 25 is a nice low number there. So we got this one. Very nice. I love it. Luis Robert. Randy Orozarena is a base. And we could pull a whole bunch of these Decades Next cards. The one that I like the best is this one, Gavin Lux, rookie. Very nice. Very nice design, and I like that color. Overall, very nice. And then a whole bunch of these numbers game card of all the retired players, Hall of Fame players. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I put out at least 1 video per week. And also stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to unbox the Topps Chrome Update Series Sapphire Edition. So stay tuned. See you next video. Have a good one.